सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि मैं सपाती माँ के पास आ गया और सवालों का जवाब ढूंढने की कोशिश में मुझे एक शख्स मिल गए। दीपराज तिवारी जी हैं, तस्वीरों में आपको दिखा रहे हैं। फिलहाल भारत में नहीं रहते। परिचय आप खुद बताइएगा, आप कहाँ रहते हैं और कौन सा काम करते हैं?
मेरा नाम दीपराज तिवारी है। आई एम लिव्स इन तांजानिया इन अफ्रीका, ईस्ट अफ्रीका. I was working as a general manager in a mining company, but I was decided to move to India. I will go to participate in our spiritual Sanatan Sanskriti. I will go to participate, and then I will know about more. I learn about the more about our Sanatan Dharma.
How do you think about money and religion both?
Money, if you have you spiritual things, money is not a matter about the spiritual things. Money is a different thing, but spiritual, adhyatmic, if you are going to participate our Sanatan, you, this is a real money. We know about our culture, we know about our Vedas, then we learn about more things.
Do you think foreigners also like Vedic?
Yeah. Mostly, most people, my friends also, I talk about those things. We are going to organize some Yagya Puja in our home village. They told me, what is this thing? I'm thinking, we made their temple, we constructed the big temple, the god Hanumana, and then they showing, oh, I know he's a real fighter of the Hanumana.
They know about Hanuman?
Yeah, they know. Everyone, entire the world knows. Our Sanskriti, our culture, our Sanatan, not only running in our country, other country, even if you go to Thailand, if you go to Asian other country also, you will go to US, everyone knows about our Hindu culture. They are respecting. Even Muslim peoples also, if they know you are a Hindu, they will tell you Namaste. We are saying Jai Shri Ram.
Actually, there are some problems in our country that we are dividing religious factors, spirituality. But how do you think about those cultures which are regulating in other countries? Likewise, you living on which place? How they concerned with the religious sides and other factors and socialism in both situations?
I have two kids, my one son and one daughter. Company provided me family accommodation, but I am not living there with my family. I am just keeping my kids in India. They will go to learn our Hindu culture. Once they will grown up, they will move to other country also. They will go to give the other people message. I am belong from the Sanatan, and then they will spread our Hinduism to other country also. I'm most thing I will like. I'm coming here. I'm meeting with our Acharya Sri Birendra Suklaji. I will learn something. Once I will reach there, the other our working place, I will go to tell about our colleague, our senior. I went there. I was
What you want to say to new generations living in this country? What they have to concern with religious factors and yagyas also?
Issue about our young people, our young brothers and sisters, they doing good study, but also we not need our Hinduism, our Veda. We also will continue participate our books, studies, material also. We need to think slowly. Our this new government also, they now the new rule changed. They saying yes, our Mahabharat, we our another once the kids will come in the our college, they will learn about the more about our Hindus Veda.
Yoga is just looking alike all over the world. How do you think about yoga, and what is the concern with religious aspects in other peoples, likewise foreigners, about yoga and other communications of multicultural activities of Sanatan Sanskriti with other friends?
We yoga also we are there. I'm living in Tanzania. I just collaborate with our Indian embassy. They organize 21st June every year in they are in city area. We occupied some places. Then we go to call the foreigner, even other embassy people also, ambassador, they are coming, they participating the yoga. They learning more about our culture. They know very well Maybe we are some place we are going to, sometime we hesitate, but they know more than to us.
Of course. This means that we have to choose also yoga in our country.
This is international. This is yoga not rotating under our country only. They already spread entire the world.
You are watching me with the frame of K7 News International, and I am here on Sapati, my mandir, just like in Uttar Pradesh, Devariya. Keep watching and continue. I will always give this type of stories to you on the frame situation to support the multicultural activities of Indian cultural media.